are making a earring tray. What we will need for this project is old frames. I got these at the Dollar Tree for $1 a long time ago. You're gonna want some gloves for the glue. You need a hot glue gun, such as here, and some glue sticks. These I use for this, and that's it. Oh, you'll need some popsicle sticks. I know it's a lot of mess on this table, but anyway, these are the sticks I'm using, so you need that. How many? I think to go on here, maybe about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5. It will take time. Roll up your sleeves. And let's get started. Let's move this aside. Take some of your stick out. Heat up your glue gun. It takes a few seconds. Remember, this is very hot. Mine is so old, it looks really nasty. I had it for a long time. You'll need something to keep the table from getting all glued, so I'm just using a regular cloth, an old fabric cloth. And this is to keep from, and you'll need a paper plate to keep your glue stick from getting all messy on the table. And this is what we're gonna do. Just watch what I do, and hopefully you find this video pleasant. And what we're gonna do is glue. In order to glue it, we have to make sure it will fit. So you take your popsicle sticks and line it up to see how it will fit. Like this. If it's lined up, you're good to go. I'm gonna mark it with my pencil. That way I know where it's at. Then glue. All we do, glue it down. Press down and hold. Glue gun. The hot glue will work on this project. No other glue will work. And let's see. I'm gonna let this dry. Put that aside. And keep measuring as you go so you know where it's going to be at. Make sure you line it up nice and neat. You can watch me while I work. You want to follow along, you can get your supplies at the craft store or at the Dollar Tree for your frames to see if my idea will work. I got this off of another YouTuber, but the glue that they used made me question their ability because it fell. I noticed it fell in the picture, so now just glue it on. Be careful how you glue it, but you want to do it fast and quick. And press and hold. Put this aside, let it dry. But test it to make sure it will fit. Yep. There's two. Get ready to use your other glue stick because you'll run out. That's happened to me before. You can actually paint these if you want to. Take a glue gun and on right below the mark, right below that mark, that's where you glue. Glue it. We're almost done, I think. That was 1, 2. So we need 3, 4, and 5. I think we might need 5 of these, but keep doing what I'm doing until you match up, line up. Don't forget to mark it so you know exactly what to do. Use a pencil to mark it. And there you go. This is your earring tray that we are making. Hope everybody's well. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And this is Moviegoer Lisa 007. Test it out. Alright, let it dry. Press it down and hold your glue so it will dry. And let's see. Line it up. You first line it up. It has to be touching these edges right here. In order to, the earring will go dangling down. The dangle drop earrings. If it has an earring hook, it will hang on here, no problem. All the other glues on this project will not work. The best glue to get will be your hot glue gun, because I find that the hot glue gun works very well with wood, with these type of popsicle sticks. So far, as you can see, mine are holding very nicely. Oh, to feel it, you take this part, you take this stick and that hole, and you stick it in there. When you hold it, make sure you press against this, and it will drop. That's why you need the plate, to keep it from dropping. Alright, now let's try this. Press it. And it shouldn't come out. Got to do it quick, otherwise it will dry and be not worth it. There's a lot of hair, so blue hair. Alright, that's 5. Let's see. Let's line it up now to see if that's enough. You don't want it too closely together. So you're gonna do it like this. Just watch what I'm doing. Want the earrings to be enough to dangle down. Three. What do you think? There it is. You think that's too much? Let's take one out. Maybe that might be too much. So let's scoot everything up. Now the experiment will go. You can always paint over it. I wonder if the glue gun will work. Wow, look at that. It worked. Glue gun works really good on the frames. There you have it. Now we can turn our glue gun off. Oh, you didn't see that. Okay. You turn it. Right here's the switch. You turn it on, off. There we go. Make sure it's nice and straight. Sometimes when you glue things down, it can be a little bit crooked. But there you have it. I made myself an earring tray. You can put like fabric over it to cover it if you like. But to hang it up, all you need is one of those hooks, and there you go. So that's our earring tray. We did it. Yay, we did it. And if you want to cover it, you can paint over it, or wait until it completely dries. And all you will need for this project is this. You'll need your glue gun, and you'll need a picture frame. That's it to make your earring tray. And all your earrings will come right on the hook and go down. This was a neat little project. I'm glad we did it. Well, this is it for my crafts. This is called the earring tray. And I hope you guys like this tutorial. Give me a positive thumbs up. And talk to you later. Bye, everybody.